Right then, welcome back to the National Stadium. It's the opening day, the opening afternoon of the J3A's National Junior and Senior Athletics Championships. My name is Jermaine Brown. With me, Bruce James and Daniel Dowie, former national representative in the 400-meter hurdles at both the junior and senior levels. And of course, Bruce James, track and field analyst extraordinaire. And that is the team for the afternoon, and we go into the evening as well. On the way is the discus throw final for under 20 girls, and we'll be picking up that shortly. And I think we may have had young Jada Francis of Immaculate earlier in the sector. A finalist in Class 1 at the Boys and Girls Championships earlier this year. Of course, these young athletes looking to make the Jamaica's team to the NACAC Under 18 and Under 23 Championships, as well as the World Under 20 Championships that come up in Eugene, Oregon in the summer. That's the big one for them. Bridgeport's Drisana Douse is inside the sector there now and does the spin technique, and it's the second attempt. The red flag goes up for the Bridgeport athlete and on her second attempt, and we'll be bringing you the current rankings in this event. Of course, the field includes the likes of Abigail Bennett of Merle Grove, who won in Class 1 champs earlier this year. The Class 2 champion is also here in the form of Jamelia Young of Clarendon College. So the competition will be heating up here in the discus throw for under 20 girls. Shanice Love holding the national under 20 record at 54.72 meters. Ramona Freemantle of Very Technical, she's up next. And for her, we just saw Bennett of Merle Grove. A big 48.22 meters from her to win at champs. And so we'll see if she comes into these championships anywhere near or to that form. Of course, a lot would have gone on between champs and now, including the CSEC exams, the A-level exams as well. So Fremantle, inside the sector, just stands and delivers. And put a lot of effort behind that one. And she gets the white flag. Does Ramona Fremantle of Very Technical. No, that was, in fact, Bennett of Merle Grove. So Fremantle will be up next. Yeah, so this now is Ramona Fremantle of Very Technical. Was also in that final at champs this year. Does the spin technique, and that one just goes into the side netting there, and she'll have to go back and quickly assess that one. And Jamelia Young now, the Class 2 champion from champs earlier this year, representing Clarendon College. Tall and powerful, and competing against athletes who are just a year older, but certainly has that confidence. Jamelia Young, does the shot put as well. And she gets the white flag there. And gets a mark on the board. To come later this evening, the high jump for senior women and the heats for the 100 meters for the juniors. The semi-finals for the seniors. Right, so Abel Mills is out front thus far, 52.05 meters for her. And this now is Brendan Malcolm of Hydel. Takes her place inside the sector now. Fouled on her first attempt. Did Malcolm. So trying to get one on the board. And that's what we call a safe throw. But the red flag goes up. So she tried to play it safe, but didn't quite work out for her. Jada Francis had a very good season for Immaculate. And is looking to top it all off by making the national team to one of these junior championships in the summer. Heaves that one. Lots of effort behind it. 43.43 meters on her first attempt. And the white flag goes up, and she looks pleased. That's the Jada Francis of Immaculate Conception. A few of these athletes as well will be looking forward to going off to college, leaving high school, signing those, they would have signed those letters of intent and sorted out those student visas and looking to go off to college in the US, a few of them. This now is Shanangelo Williams. And not much behind that one. Quickly inside the sector and quickly stepping out. Wasted no time there. Prasanna House of Bridgeport is up next. On her first attempt, had an effort, well, fouled her first attempt, looking to get a legal mark, and looks to be safe. Yep, the white flag goes up, and she's on the board with a mark. I'll bring you up to speed shortly with that exact effort.